Hot beverage KEENSTAR 3.5 bar espresso machine with milk frother. Compact, powerful, elegant coffee experience. Start every morning with the rich aroma and taste of real espresso. The KEENSTAR 3.5 bar espresso machine brings cafe-quality coffee right to your home, compact in size but powerful in performance. Glowing star features and benefits. 3.5 bar pressure system, brew smooth, flavorful espresso with a rich crema every time. Built-in milk frother, easily create creamy cappuccinos, lattes, or macchiatos. Preheating function, enjoy your coffee hot and ready in no time. Compact and stylish design, perfect for small kitchens or as a thoughtful gift for coffee lovers. For cup capacity, brew enough for yourself and your friends in one go. 800 W power, ensures fast heating and consistent brewing performance. Wrapped gift, perfect gift idea. For anyone who loves coffee, the KEENSTAR espresso machine makes a stylish and practical gift, compact, elegant, and built for everyday enjoyment.